Heavy hitter here once again for Wall Street Fat Cats. Today is January the 22nd, 2010. It is 5:07 p.m. Eastern Time. Um, Today I did two trades that I posted on Twitter. I did a couple more that I didn't post on Twitter. So I'm only gonna do the ones that I did post. Um, all right, first trade that I did was on pot. Right now you guys are looking at the pot chart, ticker symbol POT Potash Corp on the 1 minute chart. Um, I took a short at a 9:32 Eastern, almost right at the open on this candle right here. I got filled at a 111 even. Um, Reason I got into this one, today it didn't know which way it wanted to go from the morning. You didn't know if it wanted to go up or down, so that's why you have this doji right here. On this one is when it decided to go. It came down. I saw the volume picking up on the short side, and on this candle it came down fast, so I ended up getting filled at 111 even. I wish I would have got it up here, but it just came too fast down for me to get filled, so couldn't get a chance until it hit 111. Um, when it hit 111, I figured it was gonna be a great short, and then it got to this doji candle right here. As you can see, it had a wick up and then a shadow tail down. Um, this one kind of scared me a bit, so I put my stop almost at I put it for a 20-cent stop loss. Once I saw this thing coming, it went down, it went up, went down, it just kept hovering right there. When I saw this one was really made me feel good about it. So I figured it was gonna come down some more. On the next one, this thing tanked again, and then I saw it starting to retrace back. So I put my stop in for plus 70 cents, and it ended up getting stopped out at 110.30. That this candle is at the 9:35 time. So that's the only trade I did on pot um, that I posted on Twitter. The other trade I did, this is the FCX Freeport McNaram on the 1 minute chart. I took a long on this one. This one was an awesome. Um, the only thing with this one, well, the reason I got in right here on this one. Once it broke the black line, which is the 200 day, I got filled at 75.85 for on a long. So that was the reason why I went long, is because it broke this one. I wrote it and I held on to it on this little consolidation. Then it popped up. Once I saw this red candle right here is when I decided to get out. I ended up getting out at a 67.45 for plus 60 cents on this one. Um, I wish I would have kept it. I really don't know why I got out. I guess I got scared once I saw this thing coming down a bit. I figured it was going to start to come down, but I should have waited until it crossed the 20 moving average, because usually once it pops above, as you can see right here, it popped up above the 20 and the 50, and then it popped above the 200. Then the next thing for it to start coming down is to break the 20, which it did over here, but I ended up getting out here. I should have waited. I could have got almost like, let's see, I got filled at a 75.85, and the top was 77.29, so could have got a point plus on this one. So yeah, on this one, I'm not sure why I didn't hold on to it. So those were the only two trades that I posted up on Twitter. I did some pretty good trades on Amazon, almost during the end. The day it just had a good it just fell really nice, so I got a couple points off of the Amazon, but I didn't post it on Twitter. Um, yeah, I mean, these were the only two trades I saw. Well, that I posted on there. I saw a couple other ones. In the morning, I wasn't fully awake, so I didn't have my breakfast yet. I didn't have a coffee yet, so I didn't take a lot of positions. FCX was a great day today for picking. As you can see, here's a nice little double top. I mean, don't think about this, this area right here. Just look at this part. Nice little double top, so you can have a head, shoulders, head. Once it broke this little neckline right here, you can see that it started to come down. And always wait for it to cross the 20. Always. I mean, I made the mistake right here. I could have gotten it cost me on this one. Here's another good example. Once it crossed the 20, came down. This one, it just touched. It didn't cross it. Um, Here across the 20 again, the 200 and the 50. This was another awesome move. Um, Yeah, and then right here, once it broke this pivot line that I have here, and it broke all these moving averages, it just kept coming down, so the whole trend line was down. And then the 50 was the one giving it some resistance. So all in all, today was good. 70 on pot, 60 on a Freeport. Total of $1,300 today. 1,000 shares on each. Just what I posted on Twitter. So all in all, today was an awesome day. Um, all right, if you guys have any questions or anything, just hit me up on Twitter. Email me WallStreetFatCats@yahoo.com. Send me some personal messages on YouTube, or leave some comments on the videos. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter also. Those are the two trades I did on the pot and then the FCX. That's me. Alright, so yeah, if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and get at me. The heavy hitter for Wall Street Fat Cats.